Hello friend, today I am going to explain the rules of rounding off. So let us see what is the rules of rounding off. Okay, so there are so many numbers are there, that is significant figures are there. That significant figures you are going to reduce the digits. Okay, so how we can do rounding off? Suppose, um, firstly you try to understand this one. Rules for rounding off. Okay, rules for rounding off. Okay, meaning you have to understand. So rules for rounding off meaning is what? Suppose I have that is 5.225. Okay. So these many digits you don't need. Here is the 4 digits are there. You want to reduce the number of digits. So how to reduce the number of digits? That is what reduction of the number of digits is known as what? Rounding off. Okay. So how we are going to do to reduce the number of digits? There are 3 rules are there. Rule number 1. If the if the if the ending digits, okay, ending digits, either you say ending digits or you say that is last digit, ending digits or last digits. What is, student? If the ending digits or last digit is more than 5, so last digit is more than 5 and is to be removed, so if you want to remove that, then what we have to do? Then preceding digits is increased by 1. Preceding digits is increased by 1. Okay, so what we have to do, that is, if the last digit is more than 5, then preceding digit we have to increase. So one example, let us try to see, check, student. So what is there? 1 2 and here is 6. 1 2 6, it is there. Here is the point is there, 6, and 9 6 is there, and they are saying that is last digit we have to remove. This digit we have to remove. According to rules we are going, any digits you can remove, but this is the last digit. Okay, we are considering this is the last digit. And if you talk about this last digits, this is the what is more than 5. Last digit is more than 5. So if the last digit is more than 5, so preceding digit, so what is, so preceding digit we have to increase. So preceding digits we have to increase. Preceding digits we have to increase by 1. We have to increase by 1. Increased by 1 plus 1. So see here. So 12.69 is there. 6 we want to remove. So what could be the answer? This is the 9 will become, that is here I am writing, therefore what we can, 9 will become that is 10. Okay, 10 means what will happen, student? If you are adding 10, so this will become 7, and this will become 0. So that is what will become, that is 12.70. Okay, 1270, that is that 9 become 10. Okay, so here answer will be what? 12.70. Okay, if suppose the same numbers, if you are removing this 9th, so this one, if you are removing the 9, suppose, okay, I'm changing this explanation. What is the last digits? If you talk about the last digit, here if you are same example, you take it out, same example. So in the same example, here is the 6 is there. If you want to digit, that is, if you want to remove, that is last 2 digit. If you want to remove this last 2 digit, so the last 2 digits want to remove. Okay, so round, here question is there, round up to 3. Round up to what, student? 3 significant figures. Round up to 3 significant figures. So if you want to round up to 3 significant figures, so we have to check this number. Okay, so this number is 9. Okay, this is the 9 number. 9 is greater than what? It is greater than 5. Greater than 5. So preceding has to increase. Then what we have to do is, student, that we have to increase preceding increased by plus 1. This is, so what could be our answer? That is 12.7 will be our answer. Now the rule number 2. Okay, I am erasing this and I am writing the rule number 2. Let us check out the rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? Okay, so check out, student, that is rule number 2. Okay, so rule number 2 is saying if last digit is what, student? If last digit is what we can say, if the last digit is less than 5, okay, then no change in preceding number, no change in preceding number, no change in preceding number. Now let us go with the example, student, how to understand. Suppose I am having 13.93. Okay, this is last digit, this is last digit, and this last digit is what, student? This last digit is less than 5, less than 5. So less than 5 means preceding no change. So what we can write here, so preceding no change, preceding digit no change, preceding digits no change, digits no change. So if preceding digit no change, so here what could be our answer? Rounding answer 13.9. So this is our answer. And one more rule is there, student, that I want to tell you also. What the rule is there. Let us see the rule number 3. This is the most important rule. Okay, this 2 rule everybody is able to memorize, but the third rule is important. So rule 3. So rule 3 is there for rounding off for what, student? If you want to rounding off for even and odd number, even and odd number, having last digit 5, having last digits 5. So rounding off we are doing. Okay, so here is we are having the any number is there. Okay, number ending with what? Number ending with 5. So that is what is this ending with 5 can be the even number, and this is the odd number also is possible. In case of even number, there is no change in rounding, in the rounding. And if it is the odd number, so if your odd number increased by 1, increased by plus 1 to preceding, to preceding number, okay, no change in rounding off to what is preceding number. Now we have to understand this with the example. See one example I am taking here, 6.25. 6.25 is there, and this is the last has to remove. This has to remove. This has to remove. This has to remove. This has to remove, and number is 6 to 5. 6 to 5 is what? This is the even number, and 6 to 5 is even number. So rounding off will be what? 6.2. This is our answer. Okay. Here you see, student, if suppose we are having 6.35. So this is what? This is odd number. This is the odd number, and this is the even number that we have to check out. Okay. This odd number, what is there? 5 is there. Okay. So this 5 we have to remove. Okay. This has to remove. This has to remove. So if you want to remove this, student, so what we have to do? We have to do first, increase by 1 preceding number. So 3 is preceding number, so 6.4. So this is all about the rule of the rounding off. Okay, so now you will be able to do the problem from the NCERT and other book, student. I hope this video will be helpful to you understand. Thank you so much for watching, friends.